Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin with the essentials. Make sure you're signed in and have admin access when required. Open Settings, then System, then Display. Find the brightness slider. This is the primary control. If you have a laptop, check any physical brightness keys first because they override the slider. Once open, understand why. The slider changes the panel backlight level, affecting battery and eye strain. So, adjust in small steps and watch response before proceeding to advanced tweaks. Once done with the slider, move to Adaptive and Parap options to refine behavior. Enable adaptive brightness to let sensors alter levels automatically. This saves battery and cuts glare, but it can overshoot, so test it. For specific apps, open graphics settings in Display to set performance or brightness scaling, useful for HDR video or games. If the slider is missing, update the display adapter driver in Device Manager. To finish, test your adjustments in different lighting and with AC versus battery power. Some power plans reduce brightness on battery to save energy. Make sure HDR is off if colors look wrong, and check vendor control panels. Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA often override Windows. If brightness behaves erratically, roll back or reinstall the display driver and reset power plan settings. One quick troubleshooting tip: enable or disable adaptive brightness to see if a sensor is causing unwanted shifts. That alone solves many issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.